Well, hey guys, so a lot of people will be asking me about what how to reduce eye puffiness. So that's we getting such a nice question. So overall, what is eye puffiness and which will be causes eye puffiness? So that's we getting such a pretty and a nice question. So I am just be telling about this eye puffiness in this video. So please, first of all, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Okay, so I am just we make video on grooming and beauty tips and skincare ingredient and skincare product, which one is best, which is not. So I'm just not be saying I'm just a dermatologist, but overall I'll just be have experience in skincare line, and I'm just be expert of a skincare. So but overall, so we'll just be have just eye puffiness. Okay, what is eye puffiness and what will be causes? Eye puffiness when you'll just the causes of eye puffiness when you will just be lack of sleep, you will not be taken maximum the it will be proven when you'll just be taken 8 to 9 hours sleep, your overall health will be improved. When you will just be lack of a sleep, you will can't be taken for maximum 8 to 9 hours sleep. So what you'll just be face, you'll be face eye puffiness. So and be lack of a nutrition like vitamin E, C when you'll just not be taken, so you will be facing eye puffiness problem. And be another tip, genetics depend when you'll just be parents both of these, your mother or father facing, anyone can be facing what eye puffiness, a lot of eye. So you will be basically you will be facing this problem, exactly you will just be facing this problem. And another, you will be taking smoking and be sun exposure and be a lot of a factor will be depend upon. But the point is, what is the treatment of this? Okay, so the treatment is too much simple. That's we in dermatology a lot of thing that we, the one is micro needling. It will be inject on your eye area. It will be maximum you will just be taken, sorry, 9 to 8 maximum 8 to 9 session, and then your eye puffiness will be improved. And in dermatology, another thing will be glycolic acid and the lactic acid peel. You will be taken maximum 5 to 6 session, and then your eye puffiness will be improved, depend on your eye puffiness session. Okay, so session will be depend on your eye puffiness. If you have a less eye puffy, a large eye puffy, medium, so depend when you will just be facing a lot of eye puffiness, so your session will be increases 10 to 12. But overall, and be another things be and be a lot of creams, that's why I'm just be recommend tretinoin for eye puffiness. There's be retinoic acid, vitamin A form. It will be slowly processed, but it will be work FDA approval. So and be vitamin C, glycolic acid creams, hyaluronic acid cream. But overall, tretinoin hyaluronic acid is the best option, and vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is best, but overall, I'm just be recommended tretinoin and hyaluronic acid plus glycerin. So overall, what thing will be next? And be you when you will just not be afford all of this, so try some inexpensive homemade things. So what is, you will just be taken a spoon, steel spoon, and then you will just be put this into freezer, and then you will just be still have to wait maximum. I'll just be put this, I'm just personally use this on my face. So I'm just be get rid of eye puffy eyes. I'll just be have just a little bit, but overall my eye puffiness will be reduced. And then when your spoon will be too much colder, and then you will just be take it back, and then you will be apply and hold this on your eye area for maximum 10 to 30 seconds, and then your immediately your eye puffiness will be reduced, and you will be feel your eyes will be refreshed. Okay, so bye, have a nice day.